So today we are in Orlando on iDrive. We are going to the Madame Tussauds. Yeah, I've never been to the one in Orlando before. I've been to the one in San Francisco on Fisherman's Wharf and it was pretty cool. Yeah, so I'm excited to see what the Orlando one looks like. So let's head over there. Gray and cloudy day today here in Orlando. It's probably gonna rain later, but that's all right. At least Madame Tussauds is inside, so we shouldn't get rained on. And now we are going inside. Inside has three things, the Madame Tussauds, the Orlando Eye, and the Sea Life Aquarium. So there's a lot of things to do here. So we are waiting in line now to get into Madame Tussauds. It's actually pretty busy today. There's a pretty long line. So Icon Park is one of the biggest tourist attractions in Orlando, besides the theme parks. So it's always pretty busy in here actually. So the first thing we see when we get into Madame Tussauds is someone offering to take a picture for us. Unfortunately, that picture they try to get is not free. You have to pay. So if you want to take pictures, you should take the pictures yourself. So the first wax figure we see is Pitbull. Yeah, I actually would love to meet Pitbull in person someday. Yeah, some of his songs on the radio are super catchy. So in the first room here, here's a little bit of Florida history. The guy over there is Juan Ponce de Leon. He was a Spanish explorer and conquistador known for leading the first official European expedition to Florida and serving as the governor of Puerto Rico. Wow. I know. Yeah, he kind of just stares at you. It's kind of awkward and very intimidating, actually. Here we have Abraham Lincoln. I wonder what it would have been like to actually meet him in person. Now we are coming up to Neil Armstrong. Wow, this set looks so pretty. Oh, so did you guys know that if you stand next to Neil Armstrong, you can actually see yourself in the TV? Isn't that really cool? Yeah, also I'm noticing a lot of these wax figures are super tall, by the way. Here we have the Oval Office. So there's President Trump and President Obama, the two most recent presidents before Biden. Yes, me in the president's chair. It's actually super comfortable. Disney. I really wish he was still alive. I have so many questions for him about the parks. There's so many things I would love to ask him. Here we have Steve Jobs, the founder of Apple, and Andy Warhol. Andy Warhol had the most unique pop paintings. Here are a few of his most famous collection. And in here we have a whole room dedicated to the woman who started it all, Marie Tussauds. Marie Tussauds really had an interest in wax figures. She opened the first Madame Tussauds in London. And now you can see what her wax figure designs look like and how this place came to be. There's also a lot of history that you can read on the walls, and there's wax handprints that you can see. Yeah, this woman was really amazing. Something unique at Madame Tussauds is you can actually make your own wax hand, where you would dip your hand in wax and they'll help you make a molding out of it. That costs about $15, but due to COVID, that's currently closed. Hopefully they'll bring that back soon because that is a definitely very unique experience, and it would be really cool to have my own wax hand. Some of the most famous sports stars. Wow, they all seem so lifelike and so tall. I wonder if their actual height, because all of them are like 6 feet tall. I didn't expect the wax figures to be so tall. To the Hall of Celebrities. Yes, I think this will be the closest I'll ever get to meeting any of these celebrities in real life, but this is really cool. I'm so excited. Yeah, some of them actually really look like the celebrities, and some of them look kind of weird, so I guess it depends on which one it is. And in the next room, we have more stars. Oh, TV stars. Ross Lynch from Austin and Ally. Oh, that's pretty cool. Yeah, I didn't think I'd see him in here. Oh, and it kind of looks like New York. That's pretty cool. Oh, Oprah and Katy Perry too. Wow. Yeah, this room is a lot more spread out than the last one. And who do we have here? Oh wow, Neil Patrick Harris, my favorite actor from How I Met Your Mother. I really wish I could meet him in person someday. Now we are entering LexCorp and the DC Comics universe. I'm so excited because DC Comics is my favorite brand of comic books ever since I was a kid. So in here, it looks like they have a bunch of DC superheroes. We just saw The Flash. Here is Wonder Woman from the Wonder Woman movies, Gal Gadot. It really looks like her. Yeah, there's a lot of really cool special effects. It kind of looks like a scene from one of the movies where they save the city and everything is destroyed from the villains. Oh, there's even Superman. He's lifting up a helicopter. Wow, it's really cool. They have some really cool special effects in here. There's Cyborg, looks really real. And here we have me and my favorite superhero, Batman. And there's also Aquaman from the Aquaman movies to end the room. like we are heading into a room of stars again. In this room we have Channing Tatum, Jennifer Lopez, and Zendaya. And in the next room it looks like a big celebrities lounge where you can sit next to your favorite celebrity, take a lot of photos with them. Yeah, we saw a lot of celebrities in here. We saw Brad Pitt, Angelina Jolie, we saw Emma Watson, and Johnny Depp, Anne Hathaway. Yeah, some of them look really good. Oh, there's Zac Efron. It really looks like him. And some of them look kind of weird. The Emma Watson didn't look very good.
To visit the Madame Tussauds, it costs about $32. And it costs about $42 if you decide you want to see the Madame Tussauds plus the sea life together, or you can visit Icon Park, the wheel. Yeah, to see all three, it costs about $50. It is kind of expensive, but I would say if you really want to visit everything and you only have one day, probably the $50 for all three is the best. Alright, so we just finished in the Madame Tussauds. Yeah, it was pretty cool. It is a little pricey for what it is, about $32. But it was nice. I enjoyed seeing all the different celebrities. Yeah, celebrities, sports stars. There are a bunch of movie stars. It was really cool. It's just one of the only places you can be that close to celebrities. And a lot of them are really lifelike. Yeah, it's interesting. So Madame Tussauds is their accurate height. So I found out that some of the celebrities are super tall, and some of them are about as tall as I am. So it's pretty cool to see that. But yeah, definitely smaller than the one in Fisherman's Wharf. The one in Fisherman's Wharf had that little section at the end for a movie theme. This one only had like the celebrities. A little bit of Florida history in the beginning, but not really much more, so we only spent about 40 minutes inside, so it didn't really take very long. Alright, now we are going into Sea Life Orlando Aquarium next. I'm excited because I really like aquariums.
They just go around and around and around and around all day.
smaller than the other one. So Sea Life Orlando has these areas where you can crawl underneath, and when you stand up, you feel like you're underwater with the fish. You can see the fish so close. Yeah, it's really cool, but this one feels like I might bump my head on it. The other one had more space. Left the aquarium. The Orlando Sea Life Aquarium is kind of small, but it's pretty. I really enjoyed seeing all the different species of fish in there. They did a good job of having fish from the Pacific, from the Atlantic, from the Everglades. I really enjoyed seeing the things in the aquarium. There was a really huge turtle. Yeah, it was really fun. It is a little pricey for what it is. So yeah, definitely if you're looking to visit, it'd be more worth it to visit both Madame Tussauds and the aquarium in one day than for just one for $32. Yeah, I enjoyed it. If you're into aquariums, you'll really like the Orlando Sea Life Aquarium here. Thanks for watching, everyone. As always, if you like what you see, please comment, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. You can follow me on social media. The links are down below. You can follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.